our next example, we're going to use the case 2 of power series. So for this example, we have the power series of n plus 4 factorial times 3x minus 6 raised to n. Feel free to pause the video to try this example and answer it on your own. The first thing that we're going to do is find the value of c. By doing that, we're going to equate this 3x minus 6 by 0. So 3x is equal to 6 and divide both sides by 3, and then we're left with x is equal to 6 over 3 or 2. Our x is 2, and since x is also equal to c, so we have the center, which is 2. And then we're going to find the value of a sub n plus 1. So here, for every n variable that we see, we're going to add plus 1 to it. So n plus 1 plus 4 factorial times 3x minus 6 is to n plus 1. Next is we're going to find the value of a sub n. And here, the value of a sub n is this original equation. So n plus 4 factorial times 3x minus 6 raised to n. And in this equation, we're going to use the ratio test, which is the limit of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 all over a sub n as n approaches to infinity. So we're just going to copy the value of a sub n plus 1. N plus 1 plus 4 3x minus 6 n plus 1. And then the value of a sub n plus 4 3x minus 6 raised to n. We're going to simplify this equation, and n plus 1 plus 4 is equal to n plus 5 factorial, and then copy this equation and our denominator, tx plus minus 6 raised to n plus 1 n plus 4 factorial tx minus 6 raised to n. And we're going to expand this n plus 5 factorial, so n plus 5 n plus 4 factorial, and then distribute this exponent 3x minus 6 raised to n times 3x minus 6 raised to 1. Then copy the denominator, n plus 4 factorial 3x minus 6 raised to n, and we're going to cancel out n plus 4 factorial and 3x minus 6 raised to n. And then we're left with n plus 5 times 3x minus 6. The next thing that we're going to do here is put this equation in front, 3x minus 6 as limit of n plus 5 approaches as n approaches to infinity. And then let's just copy this 3x minus 6 limit of n. If we substitute n with infinity, infinity plus 5 is infinity. 3x minus 6 times infinity is equal to infinity. And if we plug in the x value here in this equation, 3x minus 6, our x is 2, 3 times 2 is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So our r is 0, and the interval of convergence is the center, and our center is 2. So for every value of x except 2, this equation diverges